In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your LinkedIn account permanently. I am going to be doing this on PC, but I do have a separate video for mobile that you can watch if you press the banner at the top right now. Anyway, to do this, just go to linkedin.com and sign in. Once you're here, it will show you something like this, and then just go to the top right corner and click on your profile picture and go down the drop box to settings and privacy. Now you should be here in the settings and go over to account preferences at the top left, then go to account management. Now you will have three options to choose from. Clicking merge account will let you merge this account with another if you do have another. So if this is your secondary account, you can merge it with your main. Hibernate account basically pauses your account, so if you are not entirely sure that you want to delete your account and lose everything on there, maybe this is a better option for you. But the last option is to close your account, which I will be showing you in this video. So just click on it, and if you have a premium account, it will stop you here and tell you that you need to downgrade to basic before you close your account. So if this is you, you need to do that first and come back to this page after. Anyway, let's continue. So it will bring you to this page that says, "We're sorry to see you go," and ask you why you're closing your account. You can put a reason here if you want to and select other and give a brief reason, but I'm just going to press duplicate account because it's easy and go to next, and here you will be asked to put your password in for security reasons, of course. And you can also tick unsubscribe from LinkedIn to stop getting emails from them in the future. But I'm not going to do any of this as I don't really want to delete my account. But once you have done this and you're ready, just click close account, and that's how you delete your LinkedIn account permanently. So if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll try and help you out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to help me on my journey to becoming the biggest how-to channel on YouTube. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.